The Maruti van was launched in 1985. She got her Omni name only in 1988. She was powered by a puny 796cc 3-cylinder engine producing 34.2 horsepower. She weighed only 800 kgs. The Omni was in production for 35 years in the Indian automobile history, and she only recently stopped production in 2020. The Omni was known for her versatility. She could be used as a van to transport school kids. She was used in the cargo industry. She was used as an ambulance. She was also the preferred van for large families, especially between 5 to 8 members. Omni, once a common sight, is now rare to see. Omni has also found her way in the customization industry, especially down south. She was featured in the Holy Shit edition of Power Drift. Her 796cc engine was replaced by a 1000cc Gypsy engine. She was renamed the Jimny. Well, there are quite a few people who like to customize and personalize their Omni. There are people like a subscriber, Mr. Harish from down south, who would like nothing more than a bone stock, completely restored Omni. This video is the journey of his van from scrap to bone stock showroom condition. We hope you liked this video. If you did, please do subscribe, and we look forward for seeing you in our next video. Thank you.